What if the future of artificial intelligence isn't on Earth anymore? As AI systems become more powerful, they require massive computing energy, and Earth's resources are reaching their limit. The next generation of AI data centers may not be built on land, but in orbit. This is no longer science fiction. It is the birth of an orbital intelligence ecosystem. Today, we decode the technology, the strategic players, and the companies from Silicon Valley to India, leading this revolution. AI models, especially large-scale language and perception systems, require thousands of high-performance GPUs. On Earth, this translates to massive electricity consumption, millions of gallons of water for cooling, and a rising carbon footprint. With AI demand growing exponentially, scaling on Earth is becoming environmentally and economically challenging. This has led scientists to ask a radical question. What if space becomes the solution? In space, the limitations of Earth vanish. Solar energy is abundant and continuous, 24 hours a day. Cooling is naturally handled by the extreme temperature differences of the vacuum through thermal radiation. There are no land constraints and no urban heat impacts. By launching modular data centers into orbit, we can process AI workloads where energy is free and space is infinite. Several companies are already racing toward this infrastructure. StarCloud has raised over $170 million and has already launched a satellite equipped with an NVIDIA H100 GPU to prove that space-based compute is possible. Xlumina is running AI inference in orbit using high-performance NVIDIA hardware connected via Starlink's laser network. Meanwhile, Kepler Communications is deploying optical networks with real edge computing power in space. To power this, companies like Rocket Lab are developing advanced silicon solar arrays designed specifically for orbital data centers. Even Meta is looking at the stars, partnering with Overview Energy to beam solar power from orbit back to Earth-based data centers. The Indian space ecosystem is also preparing for this transition. Pixel, with its high-resolution Earth observation satellites, is building the massive data streams that future orbital AI platforms will process. Bellatrix Aerospace is developing orbital transfer vehicles and propulsion systems that will be critical for deploying and servicing this hardware in orbit. Furthermore, Skyroot Aerospace is making space access affordable with its Vikram series of rockets, a vital step for any future infrastructure.
Supported by the foundational work of ISRO, Indian startups like Astrome Technologies and Dhruva Space are strengthening the layered ecosystem of space networking and satellite systems required for this revolution. This is not just a technological shift, it is a geopolitical one. A nation that controls AI processing power in orbit gains a decisive edge in cybersecurity, military intelligence, and satellite autonomy. We are moving from Earth-based cloud servers to orbital intelligence hubs. The era of orbital sovereignty has begun. Why is this important for investors? AI plus space equals multi-trillion-dollar potential. Markets involved: space infrastructure, AI hardware, satellite analytics, defense tech, semiconductor industry. If AI data centers move to orbit, it changes energy markets, cloud computing, national security economics. Some analysts believe this could become the biggest tech transformation after the internet. Let's stay realistic. Challenges include extremely high launch costs, space debris risks, radiation damage to hardware, legal jurisdiction issues, cybersecurity vulnerabilities, military escalation risk. This is high-risk, high-reward territory. By 2030, we may see hybrid Earth-space AI systems, sovereign orbital computing networks, AI-powered satellite constellations, space-based defense AI grids. The AI space race has officially begun. This isn't just about technology. It's about power. It's about control. It's about who owns the future of intelligence. The question is, will AI remain on Earth, or will the future of computation move beyond it? The question is no longer, can this happen? The question is, who will lead this infrastructure first? As AI goes beyond Earth, the next tech revolution will be orbital. Thank you for exploring the future of intelligence with us. To stay ahead of the technology defining our era, subscribe to Edgeverse Intelligence.